I'm Peppa Pig.
It's all very important.
Goodbye! No. The machine that looks it. What?
The balloon. Wow! Where are the Skibidi toilets?
Ed, hold tight!
Peppa and her family go to a boat race with Skibidi toilets.
Three, two, one.
To the moon. Moon, 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 moon,
I'll now finish reading the article about Skibidi toilets and give you this newspaper. All right. This is my beret. First, we need to draw the Skibidi toilet. Look, what color is it?
Black, of course.
The ducks are running through Daddy's paint. The ducks are making paint footprints in the garden.
I'm sure I could find Skibidi toilets on the moon.
Oh my God. Peppa is about to knock down the toilet, Skibidi.
Ah!